Good morning, class ninth. Our today's topic is women's role of women in French Revolution. As you all know that we read the causes of the French Revolution, then Constitution of the France, Rise of Terror, and afterwards. Today we are going to discuss about the role of female in French Revolution, and you all knows that the female is the most important part for anyone's life. When men were busy in protesting against the king, women maintain their livelihood with small businesses, and at the same time they also participate in revolt. So just have a look on this PPT. Now the question is that what was the role of women in French Revolution? The French Revolution 1789 to 1798. This is the 10 years period. The cultural climate, liberty, equality, fraternity, enlightenment of the ideas through intellectual personalities, citizen become more widely used instead of gender. Female soldiers. The intervention of women by David. Now, October days, remember this thing, students. And what happened? On 5th October 1789, market women from Paris marched to the palace of Versailles, angry over the increase in the bread price and food shortage. You remember that this was the economic cause of French Revolution. Now, feminist. What do you mean by feminist? That women have their own status, and generally what happened that the people, male domination was there, so the male always dominated. They haven't give the right to the females to write down their feelings. The feminist writers, they believed that they are treated as a second class citizen in their own country. One was Mary Wolf-Katson, Prediction of the Right of Woman, that she write down in his book that the people and her family member also treated her as a second class citizen. Women also have the right. Then Olympia de Gorges, she is the most important figure. Declaration of the Right for Women and Female Citizen. As the coin have two faces, male is important. Similarly, females are also important, and females are more important than in comparison of male. Woman, wake up, discover your rights. Oh, woman, woman, when you will case to be the behind. Now, these were the statement given by Olympia de Gorges. What were the aim? Education for the women's, equal opportunities for women's in employment. Where the equal opportunity in employment, claim to land, equality for women in the eyes of the law. Everyone is equal in front of law. There is no discrimination on the basis of the male and female. Women must receive equal punishment. Social contract between man and woman in marriage. All wealth is shared. In case of separation, all property divided. Woman, man, and equal. Woman and man equal in marriage. Yes, definitely. Women's suffrage, National Assembly of Women, equal rights for women, natural rights, freedom of speech. It is the most important thing. From 1st January, it was change in a form of better education, representation for women, jobs which would open only for women. So protestation would be ended. Daughters were treated differently than sons. It happens in our country also that the sons are more important in comparison of daughters, but it is a stereotype feeling because nowadays that most of the companies CEOs are female and they are doing a great job. Men and women were equally eligible to the inherit property, divorce legalized, and so women could also choose the end a marriage. This was the right only for the men previously. Now females also have this right that they can choose the end of the marriage. In a divorce, women had a right to some of the common property. Yes, that was the good. The system of education was created for both her boys and girls. Now this was the end of your PPT. I hope that you understand the role of female in French Revolution. And students, in comparison of this one, the females also actively participate in every part of the revolution. As I said that when men were busy in protesting against the king, females take two charge. They protest against the king, at the same time they take the responsibility of their families. So students, don't bifurcate it male and female. Everyone is important for every work. So from this incident, we learned that the females and males commonly important for any nation. Thank you.